In today's video, I will show you how to unlike all your liked video on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon here. You are now on your TikTok profile page. To see the photos you have liked, tap on the heart-shaped icon here. Please follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. As you can see, this is the list of all photos I have liked on TikTok. Today I will show you how to unlike them all at once. Tap on settings and privacy. We are now in the settings and privacy section of our TikTok account. There is where we control and manage all the settings of our accounts. Okay, let us proceed. Scroll down and look for report a problem option. Here it is. Tap on it. Wait for the page of finishing loading. After that, scrolling down a little bit, look for follow, like, comment option. Here it is. Tap on it. After the page is loaded, tap on here. Like the section, expand to reveal more option. Pull the option up a little bit. Tap on here. Other on this page TikTok. Need more help? As you can see, a text box appears here. You have to type here a message asking TikTok to help you. Unlike all your liked videos, please make sure you include all the necessary details. You can also type just like I have typed, but make sure you explain yourself very well. After that, tap on here. Report your message will now be sent to TikTok. Give TikTok some time and a representative from TikTok will get in touch with you with a solution to your problem. Thanks for watching this video.